Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So the steering column lock relay, guys, where it's located, we'll demonstrate on 2016 Ford F-150. You guys have two different fuse boxes, but we'll need to open just one of them, the one that's located under the hood of your truck, guys. So if we open the hood and you come to the left side, right behind your car battery, that's the 12-volt battery, and if you come right there, this cover right here is for the fuse box. You open that cover, you're going to see a fuse box layout just like this one, with that being the front of your F-150, guys. This is towards the windshield side. So let's explain why it's important first to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So the steering column lock relay, guys, where it's located. First, you will see that you have different kinds of fuses, relays that could be really expensive or hard to find at the parts stores. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get some spare ones from at a good price and quick shipping as well. The steering column relay will be located in that fuse panel right here, that box right here. And if you look the one on the very top left side, that's the steering column lock relay that you need to check. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.